IFL Watches is back, and this time, they've turned one of Citizen's most beloved models into a colorful work of art. Meet the IFL Watches Citizen Tsuyosa Puzzle Edition, a playful, hand-painted tribute to creativity, connection, and craftsmanship. Inspired by the rare puzzle dials that have fascinated collectors for years, these new limited editions transform the familiar Tsuyosa silhouette into a miniature canvas. Each dial is hand-painted in vibrant interlocking puzzle pieces, a symbol of unity within the global watch community. The 37mm version, reference NJ0200-50Z, comes in a soft pastel pink. The 40mm model, reference NJ0151-88M, takes on a bold turquoise tone. Each is limited to just 200 pieces worldwide, so exclusivity is part of the fun. Underneath the artistic dial lies the trusted Citizen Tsuyosa foundation, brushed and polished stainless steel, an integrated bracelet, sapphire crystal with a date magnifier, and the signature 4 o'clock crown. Inside ticks the reliable caliber 8210 automatic movement, offering 42 hours of power reserve and a view through the transparent caseback. With water resistance to 50 meters and luminous hands and markers, this is a timepiece that's both expressive and practical. At $890, the Tsuyosa Puzzle Collection proves that creativity in watchmaking doesn't have to be reserved for high-end auctions. It's a celebration of collecting, artistry, and community, brought to life, piece by piece, by IFL Watches. The IFL Watches Citizen Tsuyosa Puzzle launches on October 6, 2025, at 4 p.m. CEST. Only 200 of each color exist, so if you want one, join the waitlist now at iflwatches.com.